In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. And trust me, it's way simpler than you might think. Before we get started, please remember to subscribe and like this video for more videos. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your Teams account. No account yet? Just grab any email address and get one set up. Once you're in, you'll land on the Teams home screen. Think of it as your central hub for everything. Next, head to the calendar. You'll find the icon on the left-hand sidebar. It looks exactly like a regular calendar, so it's easy to spot. Click it, and you'll see all your upcoming meetings in one clean view. Now find the specific meeting you want to share. Got a busy schedule? Use the search bar, or just scroll until you find it. Click on the meeting to open up the details. Here's the key step. Look for the copy icon, which looks like two overlapping squares. Click it, and the meeting link is instantly copied to your clipboard. Then just paste it wherever you need. An email, a Teams chat, a text message, anything. Hit Ctrl+V on PC or Command+V on Mac, and you're done. That's honestly all there is to it. Run through these steps once or twice, and it'll feel like second nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if this video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.